back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how I make my Alfredo sauce. I already put the noodles to boil. I'm actually gonna add something at the end for the bloopers because that took a lot of tries to try to get that right because I kept chopping them in half. Anyway, all right guys, so the noodles are boiling. I'm gonna let them boil for about 14 minutes and I'm gonna go ahead and add my heavy whipping cream. One stick of butter, 4 ounces of cream cheese. We're gonna let that melt. I'm actually gonna turn it up to about 4 now. Okay, I'm gonna add my seasoning now that it's all melted. I'm gonna turn down my temperature to about 2 now. Because I'm always in a hurry with kid life, I'm actually gonna put my chicken in the air fryer. And I buy this rotisserie chicken, and I found this oven roasted chicken. There wasn't one of the same, but they're both pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and add the 8 ounces of the Parmesan cheese. And then once I add this, I'm gonna wait about 3 minutes for this to thicken up. I'm about to put these in the oven so that we can eat it with our chicken Alfredo. These are so good. You can find these at Walmart in the bakery aisle. You can see that this sauce has thickened up, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the noodles. Go ahead and put that chicken in there that I had in the air fryer. We are all done eating. We are full. I am ready for a nap and the kitchen is clean. Hi, Junior. My sister did my dishes. That was very nice of her. Anyways, remember to subscribe and hit the bell so that you get notified every time that I post. Bye.
What do you think? Violation? Improper permit display? Yesterday? 2 days? Babe!
2 days ago. That was last week.
If not paid before.
I'm not paying it.
You haven't paid it?
I know. I'm not paying it.
You're gonna have to park down the street. I don't want the police coming here.
Baby, that's for work.
This is a ticket. It doesn't stay at work.
So what happens?
It's right here.
So what happens if I don't pay it?
I don't know, maybe you don't fucking work anymore.
Yes, I do.
I need some coffee. I can't listen to this. Are you recording?
I was wondering why I was still in there.
I was running late. It is in here. Look at this. Who needs Starbucks? Are you recording?
Yeah. Told you, he's the coffee guy. Hi, mommy.
Babe, I bought Jackson a bicycle. He can ride home.
Okay.
Hey, you want me to bust in the house or you want us to wait or what?
You can just come on in. I like to break these in half. And I just hurt myself. Oh God. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to, you guys for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and
hit that button. Hey.
hit the bell so that you get notified every time that I post. Bye.